Viewers, with that, we have breaking news coming in quickly at this point. Prime Minister Modi is likely to meet the newly crowned Indian women's cricket team on Wednesday in Delhi. This is the big news that we're bringing to you right at the top of this segment, wherein what we're learning is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's earlier already expressed his wishes to the very team, to the women in blue. He will be meeting the women in blue on Wednesday in the national capital. This is again sources giving us this very information. And right now we have Nitin Srivastava joining us on the broadcast. Nitin, there's a big update that we're getting to learn that the Prime Minister will be meeting the team on Wednesday.
Well, of course, that is what sources are telling India today. That there is a plan which is being, worked out for the Indian women's team who have just became the champion of this ICC Cricket World Cup. So, as per the sources, PM is actually likely to meet all the women players in, support staff on Wednesday in New Delhi. That is what recent development is coming from. But, as far as the victory is concerned, this is, they have not actually just won the World Cup trophy. It is about winning the revelation, because the journey of Indian women cricket starts decades ago when Diana Adelji and the players like Shanta Rangaswamy, they actually dared to dream of playing cricket where there was no support, there no facility, nothing actually.
Absolutely, Nitin. And as we speak, let me quickly just go back and in fact bring to our viewers what the Prime Minister had to say on this very joyous celebratory occasion. Let's listen in.
पूरा भारत अपनी क्रिकेट टीम की सफलता से बहुत खुश है। ये भारत का पहला विमेन्स वर्ल्ड कप है। मैं हमारी विमेन क्रिकेट टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। हमें आप पर गर्व है। आपकी ये सफलता देश के करोड़ों नौजवानों को प्रेरित करेगी।